Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I'm bringing you guys what is coming out for the inserts for this coming Sunday, January 28th, 2018. It looks like we'll be getting possibly one red plum, a red plum Unilever, a Smart Source, and a PG, so it looks like it's going to be a great week to pick up inserts. Now do remember it is regional, so some people might not get these and some people get these, so just giving you guys a heads up. But let me show you what we are getting in the red plum. So sorry, my camera might be a little bit blurry, but we're getting DiGiorno pizzas, $2 off any two, Egglands, eggs, Garnier Fructis, conditioner, shampoo, we're getting $4 off of two. That's a really good coupon. Garnier Nutrice, any $2, Garnier Nutrice products off any two, $4. So I think that's the hair dye. Garnier Skin Active Cleanser, excluding masks, is $2. Another Garnier Skin Active product, $2. Pepsid, $2. Quilted Northern toilet paper, 6 rolls, $1.25. That's a great coupon. We got another double roll 6 count, $1. And that's what's going to be in the one red plum. And now we got the Unilever, which is going to be Aquafresh. There's going to be $1 off coupon, which is a great deal. I'm hoping to get some freebies with some Aquafresh. Otherwise, there's the 75-cent off coupon. Axe Body Wash, $3 off of any two. We got Axe Deodorant, $1 off. We're getting an Axe Shampoo, buy one, get one body spray free. Best Foods Magazine, not sure what that is. Or magazine. Mayonnaise. Crest Body Wash, we're getting $1 off of one. Country Crock salted or unsalted sticks, we're getting 75-cent off coupons. Dove deodorant, $1.50. Dove Beauty Bar 4-pack or larger, $1. Dove Body Wash, $1. Dove Dermacare, $2. That's a good coupon. Sometimes they had some really good deals with Ibotta. More Dove Men Care. So great coupons for the Dove. Getting $10 off Flonase. Lipton Recipes, 60 cents. Lipton Tea Bags, 40 cents. Noxzema, $1. Noxzema Shave Blades, $3. Seventh Generation Diapers, $2. Seventh Generation's Dish Soap, 50 cents. Got Feminine Care, $1. Laundry, $1. Suave Body Wash, 75 cents, which I'm hoping the Ibotta in Walmart still is good, so we can get some good deals on body wash. Suave Deodorant, 50 cents. Suave Lotion, 75 cents. $1 off the Suave Professionals. $1 off Suave Professionals, and then $2 off any Vaseline lotion, so that's a good coupon. Now we're in the Smart Source, and it looks like we're going to get some Act mouthwash, $1 or $2. Ajax, Allegra, Aunt E. Annie's Pretzel Dog, $1.25. Band deodorant, $1. Band Solid deodorant for 2 of them, $1. Banana Boat, so now we're going to start seeing some, suntan lotion coming on sale. Bosch & Lomb, Bayer, Aspirin, Bic Soleil razors, we're getting $3. Blue Diamond Almonds, $1 or $2 off of 2. C&H in a flip-top canister, I'm assuming that's sugar. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Peanut Butter Chocolate Blasted Shred Cereal, $1. Clairol Hair Dye, Meeples, Cortisone, Cottonelle Flushable Wipes, Cottonelle Toilet Paper, CoverGirl, $1. $3 off of 2 CoverGirl products, depends. Downy, Duracell, Ensure, Go Organically, Hillsborough Coffee, Hormel, Honey Made Grahams, cracker packages. We're also getting more Huggies diapers for $2 off. That's a great coupon. Huggies Little Snugglers, $2 off. And then $1 off of 2 wipes, which I think is a good coupon. Icy Hot Aspercream, $1. Barbecue, not barbecue, but it's the grill barbecue stuff, Kingsford. Kleenex boxes, 50 cents off of 3. Marie Callender's, Mucinex, Poise, $3. And then we're getting some Rachel Ray coupons, and it looks like it's going to be used at PetSmart. Scott, 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents. Shea Moisture, $1 off any. Another Shea Moisture, $2 off. There's going to be a $2 off. Summer Eve products, $1 off. Sweet Baby Ray's, $1 off. And then Viva paper towels, 50 cents. And White Castle and Halos. And now we're going to be also getting a P&G. It looks like there's going to be some Always Discreet, $3 off. Always, $2 off. Pads at 50 cents, $3 off at 2. We're getting some Bounty, 25 cents. Cascade, $2 off of any 2, which could be a decent coupon. 25 cents off of Charmin. We're getting $5 off the Crest 3D White, $1 off mouthwash, which is sometimes a decent coupon. $1 off toothpaste, which sometimes can be a good coupon. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. Febreze Air, we're getting buy one, get one free. Febreze, a Febreze body spray, another body spray, sprayer mist, buy one get one free. Gillette deodorant, $1. Gillette razors, $2. Satin Care shave cream, $1. Head and Shoulders, $4 off at 2. Herbal Essence, $4 off at 2. Olay, it's $1. Olay, Olay, Olay. Old Spice, $1. Oral-B, $1. Pampers diapers, $1.50. Pampers wipes, 50 cents off of a 56 count of wipes. And then get your Pantene. So we got that $5 off of 3. The Styler. And then we got Prilosec. And then Secret, Sinex, Tampax Pearl, $3. Venus Razor, $3. That's a good coupon. Venus Refill is $5. Vicks is $1. Vicks products, buy 2, get 1 puff tissues free. And then ZzzQuil. So that is what is going to be coming out in this Sunday's coupon inserts. So if you guys are interested in getting newspapers, I would. I feel like it's going to be a great thing to get. So if you guys can get stuff, go for it. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.